Hi, I'm Alan, and today I'm going to introduce you to the BAOLI KBE 1292 series. Let's take a closer look. This robust electric counterbalance forklift offers lifting capacities ranging from 1.5 to 2 tons. Powered by an energy-efficient, maintenance-free 80-volt lithium-ion battery, the KBE 1292 series delivers consistent performance and produces zero emissions. It features an AC drive motor that supports variable drive speeds and power steering. It also includes a single pedal and directional switch to select your direction of drive. The forklift's digital display provides real-time data at your fingertips, including the time and date, truck speed, battery charge, and steering position. The forklift comes equipped with an integral side shift and a container entry mast, offering a maximum lift height of up to 6 meters. For greater flexibility, various lift height configurations are also available to accommodate different operational needs. The triplex 3-stage mast allows for precise lifting, lowering and tilting, and additional hydraulics can be integrated to support a range of attachments. Safety is key in BAOLI's design, and the KBE 1292 series is no exception. Standard safety features include a steel overhead guard, a reverse beeper with flashing beacon, an LED light, an emergency stop button, and a sequential seatbelt interlock system. To ensure stability during turns, the forklift is fitted with curve assist, which automatically adjusts the truck's speed to minimize the risk of tipping. Designed with operator comfort in mind, the KBE 1292 series enables easy access into the ergonomic and spacious cabin, with a comfortable footwell and adjustable seat. For added convenience, the forklift has an adjustable steering column with a compact steering wheel, and a rear handle with a built-in horn button makes reversing easier and safer. With its reliable construction, this forklift requires minimal maintenance, while delivering a balance of performance and power consumption. And with its reliable and smart engineering, you can trust the KBE 1292 series to operate safely and efficiently at all times.